students of class 9th. Let's start our study SS. In politics today is chapter 1. What is democracy and why democracy? What is democracy and why democracy? Means two questions given in the topic of this chapter. Okay. So we will discuss what is democracy. You know, a definition given here: democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by peoples. Okay. And according to Abraham Lincoln, a most famous, definition also of democracy, the democracy, is the form of government. It's for the people, by the people, and of the people. Okay, means people's government, and it's elected by people and ruled on people. It means, okay, means under to democracy means people will be satisfied with their ruler because they have selected their ruler themselves. Okay, and it's not was running a long ago, because you can take a lot of examples like Myanmar having not that ruler elected by the peoples. It is due to means military rule. And in Chile also you have seen an example given there. Means in Chile, means whatever ruler who was ruling there means become own self, means the leader of that country military coup become dominant there, and they have killed that president, there. Means in this way dictatorship taken place everywhere. But why democracy? People want democracy because everyone want to be free, everyone want to means to do in their country, means they have to their actual rights. And if peoples have right, then they have also partition contribution with the government. They want to mingle with government, they want to give decision, means instruction, suggestion to government. So people like democracy nowadays. And we have seen a lot of countries one by one become democratic after getting freedom. Okay. Now features of democracy. Who are the rulers? Means which things included in democratic government. Firstly, we will know who are the rulers. Means the rulers means who become, to whom peoples will elect. Okay, that person will be ruler. Means it's not itself, anyone cannot themselves become ruler of the country. Okay, as the monarchy rule in democracy. What kind of election in it? Means what kind of election be constitute? Means here free and fair election will be constitute, because means everyone having right to vote, and they will vote, and after that that person will be ruler. Okay, who are the people who can elect rulers? Means which type of group of peoples can elect? Students, a lot of countries as women have no right to vote, and a lot of persons like scheduled tribes, SC, ST having no right to vote. But in our country, means the 18-year above persons having right to vote, means it is the voting age of the peoples. Those peoples can elect their rulers. Okay. Next one, which form of government? Which form of government democracy is? As in definition I have explained, democracy is the form of government in which means peoples can elect their ruler. Okay, means and each and every activity, whatever ruler will be held, that means with the decision and suggestion of the peoples. Okay, decisions by elected leaders. Means in democratic country, major decisions only authorized by that leaders who elected by the people. But if we will take the example of Pakistan, In Pakistan, what happened? General Musharraf, Parvez Musharraf, means also become the president of that country without means constituting election. Okay, and military coup have thrown the president, have thrown the democratic leader and become hyper in Pakistan. Okay, Parvez Musharraf means not elected by the peoples and become president of Pakistan in 2002. And after that means he have taken that duration for 5 years. After passing that framework means there again election being held, but the power was into the hand of military coup and Parvez Musharraf also. Okay, it means it is not totally democratic country. It having monarchical power into the hand of that leader, and it is not totally election during means among the peoples. It's not totally democratic. Okay, and in this way whatever decisions means should be take the people who have selected by the elected by the peoples. It should be in democratic country, but it not happen in Pakistan also, if we will take example. Okay, and next free and fair electoral competition, whatever will be held, we will discuss. Free and fair electoral competition will held in democratic country, and overall election related responsibility that time will held into the hand of election commission. Okay, EC, and election commission launched the means election in overall that area where rulers having need, where the election needed. Okay, and no one will be interfere on that. Election commission will be free there for means their decision. And in democratic country, one person, one vote, one value, means in democratic country each and every person having right to vote, means they can select their representative themselves and they can show their opinion, share their opinion for with their government. Okay, and each and every persons having value, having right to give in vote. So in this way peoples also given their participation in means making government, and government also having care, means that representative only due to their peoples. Okay, if that representative will do good work, then people will elect them, otherwise they can means refuse them, they can ignore them. Okay, it's well known by the leaders, by the political leaders in democratic country. Okay, students, rule of law and respect for right, whatever human rights, it is very important component in democratic country. And in our country also we got 6 fundamental rights, means by these rights we can also show our sharing in the government, means with the government. Okay, the rules and law and respect, leaders also having respect to their peoples, and he cannot torture anyone. And in democratic country everyone is free to speak against ruler also, but in a lot of countries, non-democratic countries having not as. In Zimbabwe, if you will take example, radio, television, newspaper, everything under control of government, they can speak only the version of ruling party. It is not in democratic country. In democratic country, newspapers, media, journalists, and each and every people of that country is free, can speak, can show his opinion, and means can make assemblies, everything whatever. Okay, and can adopt any religion, any language, in can live any place of that. In this way, in democracy means having rule and law for respecting the peoples. And in a lot of non-democratic countries, having women have no right to vote, but women also having equal rights, means right of equality should be in democratic country, and it is running. So people's like it is become nowadays the popular type of government, democracy. Okay, and everyone like democracy. And there were independent newspaper, free newspaper, and journalist, and everyone can open their opinion, means without any fear, can express there. Okay, in democratic country it should be. And a lot of countries as having ruler elected by the people, means can take the major decisions, means major decisions whatever leaders will take, it is also with the agreement of peoples. In democratic country, for example in India, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, if all the members will be agreed, then prime minister can take any decision. Okay, so means people's opinion is, means whole and soul in democratic country. So people's like this form of government much more. Okay, and it is the opportunity of the peoples, they can select their rulers according to their opinion during election. Okay, no one is bounded for it. Next is why democracy, means why democracy should be in our country. A lot of arguments of against democracy also, because means if anyone become the leader after election, means he will get 5 years. In 5 years he can do, means much more according to his interest in the country. And during election, means a lot of persons who was not able to being a leader can become leader by, means adopting a lot of things as you know means whatever not good for the society, like corruption, means they can torture the people for the vote. And one thing also during election, means the people who have right and who have power, money and power, much more become over and spread everywhere in country in election time, in their propaganda and advertisement. They spend much more money, and they also given bribe to people for the vote. In this way, unable person also may be leader. Okay, and can do whatever not good for the peoples in during 5 years. And in democratic government having a lot of shortcomings also, you know means having delay in decision time, much more time taking, means rule in democratic country, because decision into the hand of much more peoples, and peoples have their different opinion. In this way, a lot of times we can see that a lot of criminals got their punishment after a long time. Okay, so these things is shortcoming of democratic country, means people can do anything else, can speak against to anyone, and means due to misunderstanding, means may be held anything else anywhere. Okay, so these are the shortcomings of democracy. And in democratic country, a lot of peoples don't know, common peoples having no awareness, illiterate peoples having no awareness what is good what is bad for them, they don't know about it. If they have right to vote, they don't know means about the leader also, then how they will vote them, and they can support any criminal also during election. So means these things very remarkable and not good under to democracy. Okay, arguments in favor of democracy. In favor of democracy, a lot of democracy have a lot of quality. It is qualitative government, means under to democratic country, it is better form of government than all. Okay, means whatever timing taking in decision, it may be beneficial sometimes, means people in short of time, means can take any bad decision. But if in democratic country, it is beneficial, that means a lot of peoples involved in decision making, that time they will take right decision. Okay, and it is more accountable type of government, responsible government. We have seen, in India and China, whatever famine taken place, and nowadays what is running, means due to COVID-19, because in democratic country having responsible and accountable government, so they are also having care about the peoples who is suffering from these diseases and suffering from famine, starvation, everything. They have much more plans, means they are means always doing their work for the welfare of country people. Okay, so democracy is accountable type of government, and people cannot be hyper on the public, means leader cannot be hyper, means cannot do whatever, means having his thought according to his opinion he cannot do. A lot of leaders, a lot of political leaders also will give their decision, then he can take means decision. Okay, and in democratic country we are free, we can speak, we can gathered, assembled, we can live anywhere, we can adopt anything, but it's not in monarchical and dictatorship. Okay, and in democratic country we have right to vote, right to education, right to work, right to free, means these things make peoples also means self dependent. Okay, and peoples can do anything else and having satisfactory. In democratic country having a lot of quality. In democratic country people can select their representative himself, and after means seeing their activity can ignore him also. Okay, broader meaning of democracy. Democracy have broader meaning, and it's nowadays adopting country to country, means time to time, means which country become free must they have adopted democracy, because it is better form of government. Okay, under to democracy, having much more qualities, means freedom, having rights to vote, having rights to do anything else, having freeness to speak anything else, means can express opinion. In this way people can do whatever best they have in their country. He can show his quality and skill, talent, everything. Okay, so the sum up of this chapter is that democracy is the form of government, means affordable government, and people's like it is popular form of government because it is better than all type of government. Okay, so why democracy, means so people's like it, so means it should be in each and every country for the welfare of nation, for the welfare of those country peoples. Okay, that's all.